Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Moore and I am your instructor for English 102 in this shortened semester here at GCC Online. So if you're logging in now, you are aware that this class is an 8-week class. So here's the deal, that doesn't mean that you're doing 8 weeks of work. You're actually doing 16 weeks worth of work in an 8-week course. So just think about that going forward. You're basically doing 2 classes worth of work at one time. So I don't know if you're able to adjust your schedule or if you've already thought about adjusting your schedule for something like that. It's definitely going to be very intensive. That said, make sure you read the syllabus and that you're completely up on all of my policies for late work. For example, I will accept assignments 7 days late, but with a penalty. So every day that an assignment is late, I'm going to dock 10% off of the score. If something's going on in your life, please contact me and let me know, and I may be able to be a little bit more flexible and work with you. But in general, it's a pretty strict late work policy. And the reason why is that you can't really fall behind in this class and continue to be successful. You've just got to keep on top of the work. After 7 days that an assignment is late, say day 8, day 9, day 10, you can submit it and I'm going to give you feedback for it, but it will no longer be for points. This is really important information. You'll see as we go along, there are a couple of your assignments that are labeled as Odyssey assignments, and they're really important lessons in research. And you can't submit your final paper to me unless you've done all of the Odysseys. So you may find yourself in a position where you missed one and you have to submit it late for no points, just so that you can continue on in the class. If at any time this class becomes just too much for you, and you want to withdraw, let me know and I can withdraw you at any time. I'm not going to be worried about whether or not you've met this due date or if it's past that due date. It's kind of, like I said, it's a lot, and I would rather that we withdraw you rather than you having an F on your transcripts. Not trying to freak you guys out about Fs, but there's no need for you to get an F if you fall too far behind in this class. I could just remove you from the course at any time. So you just let me know and I will do that for you, okay? Let's see, what else do I want to say to you? Okay, so this week you're doing the orientation, and then you are moving into the first week of Module 1. And that's where you're going to be doing some brainstorming and kicking around ideas about personal freedoms. So your paper in this class will be exploring something to do with a personal freedom or a freedom that we all enjoy, either defending it or talking about how maybe it's in jeopardy or explaining how we could handle that freedom differently. So you're going to start with that brainstorming this week. I am going to be today tinkering a little bit with the due dates. I thought that I did that in August when the rest of my semester began, and it appears that I did not. So I'm going to be tinkering with a couple of the due dates, so just bear with me on that. Also during orientation, make sure you get signed up for Connect, Learn Smart Connect. I'm going to get our assignments in that fired up today because I think you have a couple due at the end of the week. And I'll just get us on track and you guys just dive in, and I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you. So if you need anything from me, please contact me. I'm here, I'm a real life human, and I plan to send you a video hopefully every Monday or Tuesday, just to check in with you. I'll talk to you about what we've already done. I'll talk to you what's on your plate and where my grading is, because sometimes, I may be in the middle of grading paper 1 and you're writing paper 2. So I'll talk to you about those types of things. These announcements will generally be, or these videos will generally be posted in the announcements tab. So make sure you're keeping up with your announcements. All right, I look forward to meeting all of you in class and have a great day. Bye-bye.